how to create a landing page with Canva. Now if you want to create a landing page with Canva, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now if you are trying to create maybe for your website, right, a landing page, what you can do is first go to canva.com, and here we can search for a Canva template, like maybe a landing page, let's say, and you can search for a landing page templates. So we will search for landing page website, and there are many sort of templates right here. So based on the theme that you are looking for, just go to a certain design and click on customize this template, right? Now let's say you're trying to just go ahead and then add some kind of text to it, so welcome and whatever else it is, whatever kind of website you have. Based on it, you can design a landing page, and then just click on the share option, click on download, and then just click on the download option, and you can later add this image to your website. This way you'll be able to create a landing page on Canva. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.